Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Queen of Pentacles, the Fool in reverse, and Knight of Pentacles. So, Aquarius, you are someone who is really dedicated and responsible. So, whatever you choose for yourself, maybe in work, whatever dreams or goals or whatever work related decisions you make, you are someone who is really dedicated. You work towards those dreams and goals, and you are really careful, and you are really someone with that strong willpower and determination to see it till the end, work till the end. But today, in your situation, guys, you are, it may be your energy or someone's energy, you are quite careless, you have a careless attitude. It may be because of some kind of a boredom. Maybe you are bored doing things again and again in the same way, in the same way, repeating in your work or in this relationship. Maybe you are simply bored, or you are not interested, or maybe for some of you, I see that you are maybe sick. That may be the reason you are having disinterest in your situation today, circumstance. Maybe this person you love, they are asking you to come meet them, or planning to take you out, spend time with you, but you are not showing any interest. The reason may be you are, what to say, lethargy or some kind of a boredom you have in your life today. So something is holding you back, something is making you more lethargic or useless, maybe, guys, for some of you. I see that. And you are neglecting your duties or neglecting some important things in your life today. Maybe in your work you are supposed to make some important decisions, but you are postponing that. You are neglecting certain responsibilities, guys, today. And the reasons may be your own. Maybe you are stressed, you are too stressed for some of you, or you are too lethargic. Maybe you want to take a break, spend time with yourself, take a break from everything, have alone time, maybe to think, to clear your mind. Or you are maybe planning to spend some time alone, going to a different place, planning for a holiday. So you want a break from your situation. That may be the reason, guys. It may be a very simple reason, but your actions, maybe you neglecting your duties or you neglecting this person you love, it may have a lot of consequences, guys, Aquarius. So that is the energy with these cards, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes after a few seconds of silence. So when you choose the card, that reading may resonate, guys, may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. we have the Frog Prince, intimacy. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, there is someone interested in you, they are coming towards you, but you are not willing to let themselves come towards you. You are pushing them away from you, maybe because you are scared of intimacy with that person. Intimacy does not mean a very close relationship. It also means that having open hearted communication with that person, guys. So you are afraid of that. You are afraid of that true intimacy and the challenges it brings. Maybe you have an image of yourself and you don't want to, and you always you always portray the image you have, but you don't want this person to know the truth, what you are in truth. So you are afraid of something, so that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe there is someone interested in you, and maybe if you are willing to let down your guard, let this person understand your truth, what is there in your heart, you are simply going to see beautiful changes in your life, and there is going to be a beautiful relationship flourishing for you guys. And you need to understand that. That is the energy with this card. And when you are truly intimate with someone, it has its own rewards. And today, that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you, because you do not want them to know what is there in your heart and what you are. That is the reason you are keeping them at a distance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading with the first card, the Frog Prince. So let's see what is the second card, guys. The second card, for those who chose this card, let's see, it is check your emotions. So with this card, guys, it just means that today in your situation, maybe there is a particular circumstance today and you are feeling really emotional, and sometimes when we are emotional, our feelings get the better of us and we react immediately and we go for spontaneous impulses. Whatever we want to say, we just blurt it out. But today we need to keep our emotions and feelings in check, because this is the time for appropriate responses, so not reactions. So when we feel really angry, sad, or we are desperate in some situation, we should not express all that to hurt the other person. In that heat of the moment, we should not let our words hurt that other person. So we should keep a check on that, keep a check on our emotions today. And when we do that, we will be able to find a balance, and it is a very good thing. It's a very great thing for us and for that other person in the long run, guys. So when we express our happiness or sadness through in a very careful manner, through appropriate responses instead of reactions, it is going to change the way things are between us, and it is going to be helpful in finding the balance we need in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the second card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.